Welcome friends to a wonderful place, Ayla's wonderful world of grace. Open your book, grab your crayons too. The monster alphabet is waiting for you. From A to Z, let's explore today. With happy monsters we will play. Monster alphabet ABC, tracing and coloring you and me. Through the mazes, find the way, learning together every day. A is for adorable monster, so sweet. B is for brave monster, a hero we meet. C is for clever monster, smart and bright. D is for daring monster, a wonderful sight. E is for imitating monster, lover still. F is for friendly monster, with a happy thrill. G is for giggly monster, laughing all around. Trace the letters, see what we find. Monster alphabet ABC, tracing and coloring you and me. Through the mazes, find the way, learning together every day. H is for hoppy monster, jumping so high. I is for imaginative monster, touching the sky. J is for joyful monster, spreading the cheer. K is for nightly monster, always near. L is for lovely monster, with a big heart. M is for merry monster, let's make some art. Color the faces, follow the line. Ayla's wonderful world makes learning shine. Monster alphabet ABC, tracing and coloring you and me. Through the mazes, find the way, learning together every day. N is for nice monster, kind to his friends. O is for observant monster, where the path bends. P is for cradle monster, let's have some fun. Q is for guggy monster, second to none. R is for radiant monster, glowing so bright. S is for silly monster, a funny delight. T is for tough monster, strong and true. U is for your merry monster, just like you. V is for valiant monster, bold and grand. W is for merry monster, across the land. X is for extra monster, special and rare. Y is for yummy monster, snacks everywhere. Z is for zigzaggy monster, zipping along. We've learned the alphabet with this song. Monster alphabet ABC, tracing and coloring you and me. Through the mazes, find the way, learning together every day. A, B, C, D, all the way to Z. You're a super detective, as everyone can see. Thank you for visiting my world today. Ayla's wonderful world, we love to play. Check the link below, get your book and more.